Yeah, I wouldn't turn over yesterday.
What is the world's enemy?
Bone thugs in harmony. Unified. The world's enemy.
Yeah, that's
You think that's what
typical.
it is?
That's typical of this cluster.
What's that plastic thing you got, Chris?
It's a trim panel tool. I'm just gonna pull. And there's a little clip underneath here.
You need me to reach stuff?
It just fired in front of me.
Let me know if you need me to reach stuff so you don't hurt your back.
I'm not gonna hurt my back. The clip just fired in here. We call them Jesus clips because when they come off, you're like, Jesus, where did that go? Yeah, I found it though.
I'm surprised you could find anything with all the little crap he has in the back.
So he's trying to fix Sean's car because it's not working.
Yeah. We have yucky in there too.
He could pull this all off with a screwdriver. Just tell him not to damage his panels.
Yeah.
I have no way to place this.
I'm coming on this side. So I can see.
I'm trying to place this. Want to hold that for him?
Yep.
This way I can pull these panels off for him. Just all you have to do is get under the panel. Just so you. Just tell him to get under the panel with the screwdriver. Pop it up.
God, it's filthy.
Let me see. Turn this key on so I can pull the shifter back.
The word says, don't be surprised.
I know, it's like...
This comes up.
Okay, so you just squeeze them.
Yeah.
Way down the outside. Oh, the rust one
They're only gonna
stayed.
go in back one.
In one way.
Yeah.
Okay.
So. Same thing. Just push it down, pull it over.
Okay.
And there we go. The Phillips.
Oh, hold on. Did I stop it from recording? No. Yeah, Sean needs to clean this damn thing.
Yeah, this is probably one of the cleaner cars I've seen. So this is just a bracket. That's gonna come out with the module on it.
Oh, okay.
But we still gotta pull the rest of this trim up.
Makes sense. Put that little clip in there too. Can't lose anything in a cup. What are you looking for? Well, look at Puck. Talk about a beer cap.
Yeah. It's probably what we're gonna find in there. clip. You push the button down, pull it out.
Oh. Actually, it is pretty clean back there.
Yeah.
Okay, black screws on the top, silver down on the bottom.
Yeah.
What's that little rubber thing up there?
Where? This, I don't know. He's like a broken rubber band.
Okay.
This looks like it's already been
Done before?
them yellow marks.
Yep.
Usually done from a salvage yard.
Oh, I see a quarter right there.
Yeah, that's what does it.
Yeah.
I told you we were gonna find change in there.
Look at that.
Yep. I don't put change in there.
Actually, and that's what he said too. I see something else. I don't know what that is. Looks like almost like a fingernail file or something.
Yeah, who knows what we're gonna find in that. I'm expecting more change because that quarter.
That wasn't enough, huh?
Yeah, that's enough to play the music on the jukebox. It's something else like a dime. I'm betting a dime or a penny or a nickel. That's what I'm betting for. A dime, penny, or a nickel. This is gonna be on that same bracket.
Oh, yeah, I don't want to lose down there.
Yeah. It'll happen. These are supposed to be magnetic tips, though, so I'm not supposed to be dropping them. But this is what we're after.
The little
Yeah.
windowy thing. Yeah, that is sort of weird, isn't it? It's not. Is it because of the type of metal the screw is? Oh, shoot. That's the whole thing.
Yeah, this whole
But
box
yes.
is coming out, but we got to take that module out by taking these two screws out right there.
Look at fingernail file.
Yeah.
Oh, and is it those numbers up there?
There's going to be numbers on one side of it, either on top or on the bottom. Yeah, right here.
Right there. Okay. God, do you have to undo all those?
No, just these two. I'm going to do the clips in the back, but...
God, you're right about not knowing what the hell you'll find in there.
Yeah, there's always something. Usually a piece of chain, like a dime, a penny, or a nickel rolling around on the board.
That's an order, though. You can't get that at an auto parts place,
You
right?
could get this at a salvage yard, used. It doesn't have to be brand new, but we want the numbers to match on it.
Well, those aren't easy to take off now, are they?
Well, they can be a little bit. Once you break them free, they're all right. They should come out now. got little dents
Yeah.
on the side that'll hold it in place right now.
Oh, I hear
That's the
something in
change.
there.
Ooh!
What the hell is that?
It blew out the back.
Oh, shit.
So he probably popped an electrolytic capacitor.
That
That's what it blow off. Something hot.
Oh, so that's something bigger? Costs more, or the same
It's the
thing?
same module. And it's what he blew off in there that, but most likely melted. That would be electrolytic capacitor. It's got like a fluid in it.
Oh,
like
all right.
electrolyte fluid in it. It's capacitor. It's like almost like a battery. But we're gonna take bets on what it is: a dime or a penny or a nickel.
Dime. He throws the pennies on the ground. No common sense.
I don't carry change either, though, so
Yeah, he's...
not for this reason. I just don't. If it comes to $12 a change, it's 13 to me. Just keep the change.
So how much do you think that is brand new?
Brand new. I mean, you could go on eBay. You could go at an auto parts store. You could call Nissan. But Nissan, you got to pay top dollar for it, and you don't need brand new. It's just the numbers on this module.
Yep, have to match.
Just has to match what's on here.
Yep.
And it should be plug and play. No programming, no nothing.
Nice hole that's burnt in there, though.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, that's a beauty.
That's a nice one right there. You know why they put this on? You know why Nissan puts this in their car, right?
No.
Carol fucking Baskins.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm just kidding.
I'm like, really?
You watch the Tiger
No, I haven't watched
Tiger
it.
King or whatever it is?
Nope.
If you see that, you'll understand that joke.
Oh.
Penny.
Oh my god. It was only for a friggin' penny. Isn't that suck?
That's what happened. Penny did it.
Yep.
Penny's responsible.
Dang.
Yeah.
It's gone, huh?
See where all that black is?
Yeah, that's it, huh?
That's where it blew. And those are electrolytic capacitors. So, she blew out right there on the
Ooh,
trend.
yeah.
Right there. She fired too much voltage through that. As soon as you connect that circuit, it's like a taser. So,
What a beauty.
this is what he has to replace for sure. We knew that already, but now the only important thing to him is the number on this module. And he could buy it on anywhere, eBay, Craigslist, if he knows the numbers on the top of the box. If they match up, he should be fine.
Okay.
I told you we were going to find some change in there.
I know. That was a nickel. I thought it was a quarter. It's a nickel and a penny. Oh, for 6 friggin' cents. It's gonna cost him a little money.
Yeah, and when he puts the new one in,
Yeah.
put a piece of tape over that.
Oh, there you go. So it won't go in there.
This isn't even a sealed unit, so it could vent. I don't know if they maybe
half of it. Even half of it.
Yeah, it's not going to really vent much through there. So I mean, it's got slots all the way around it. It's not a sealed unit. It could vent through here. This doesn't help much. So you could just put a piece of tape over that and not give it another thought.
Well, and think about it. Even if it's only over half of it, it won't go in.
You have to want, yeah, but you want to seal it so that way if he washes, wiping
Oh,
the screen,
okay.
and no water goes down there, no spray goes down in there. Just cover that hole, because the rest of the holes are on the side or on the bottom. It'll breathe fine.
Okay.
So it's just a matter of preventing it from happening again, and over time from other liquids or whatever. Maybe a cup spills up there, less chance of it getting shorted.
Honey, why are you closing that all up?
This is just habit.
Yeah, 'cause we'll just leave it just like this till we go get the pot, 'cause you can't drive this car.
All right, well.
But at least... Oh,
I was going to show them how it all went back. It still goes together the same way it came apart. It's no different.
yep.
But I figured I'd video it for them. Make it as simple as possible. Use the simplest tools as possible. So
Well, that couldn't have gotten... I'd be able to do this one.
yeah, it's very like I told you how simple it was when I told you on the messenger. When
Yep.
you told me about it. I was like, he's going to be mad when he sees how simple it was.
But I know him, he'll have cleaned all the shit.
Yeah, and all this goes in, only goes in these things on one plug. The strip that comes out of this goes into the back
Okay.
of this, of the radio right here. See that?
Yep.
There's a clip. That's not the same clip. That's the clip that goes into the radio.
Actually, though...
This clip goes into the back of these controls right here.
But
They
look at
only
it,
go
it's
in
got
one
a
place.
tag on it, so someone did buy that.
Yeah, see the marks on it, the orange marks, the blue. They have orange marks on the
And the yellow and
on the
shit,
thing.
yep.
Yeah, that's a salvage yard mark, and this is a salvage yard mark. But that's how they know that they sold it to you. They use a certain color,
Yep.
and they mark it in a certain spot, so they know they sold it to you.
Well, and it's got a... I'm
So
figuring...
someone's been in here before.
Look. It's got a tag on it.
Yeah. Well, that looks like a factory tag.
Oh, it does?
Yeah,
Okay.
but that X
Is,
that's salvage yard stuff.
Okay.
Just like we saw those orange marks.
Yep.
Those are salvage yard marks. Not to say that this car was in the salvage yard, but they got the parts from the salvage yard to put in here. Maybe somebody put an aftermarket radio in here, and they couldn't go back because they didn't keep the original.
Yeah.
Something like that. Never know. Maybe someone broke into the car, and they got the parts. I have no idea.
Okay.
But yeah, it's exactly what I thought it was. So.
Yeah, well, and the
It's not
big
com-
hole...
It's not very common that you hear the symptoms and know exactly what it is. You still have to look at it, but like this was pretty straightforward.
Apparently.
Yeah.
And that big hole sort of says it all. And
Yeah.
then hearing the penny in there,
Yeah,
it's
that's
like,
why I
oh,
told him. I
yeah.
was like, that's why I said it on the thing. I was like, the part's called the Unified. See these numbers right here?
Yep.
27750-7Y01A, and then you want these four.
Okay.
That module will match right up, plug right in. This goes right back in here like that.
Yep.
The two flat-headed screws with the flush heads on them go straight into the sides of this module.
Yep.
Right here.
And lock it in
and
place.
Locks it in place, and those little pins go in there.
Yep.
This strip, once it's in here, and this is all back up here,
Gets
there's a
plugged
plug right
in.
here that plugs into the radio. Then there's this strip plugs into the back of this right here,
Yep.
and then everything else, that trim panel, these only go on. You're gonna know that only goes on this way. That plug only fits in that one. That plug only fits in that
Yep.
spot and that spot. It's really straightforward. And the handle, this just slides down,
And
and then that clip goes in on it, but this goes on first. This will go out. This will fall all the way to the bottom, but that panel's got to be on first.
Okay.
It'll fall down, and then you put that clip on once this is down. Pop that clip in, pop this up, and it'll snap right in,
okay.
and it's done.
Awesome.
So, but like I said, all these clips, they only go on one spot, and you'll see them. Just like this right here goes right here.
Yep.
Just like that.
Got it.
So it's really straightforward, and if
Okay.
he has any problem with it, these are the numbers he needs to match.
Yep.
6120 plus that number, and you'll see UPR on it, and it'll be for an 06 Maxima.
Okay. Awesome.
So I'm gonna get it close to back in, but
Nope,
it
that's
hanging
all right.
out. And
That's
these panels, you gotta spread them apart, pick them up, put it in. So Tell them not to be afraid to muscle it, but
Okay,
you don't want to jam it and smash it. But
gotcha.
and these clips go into the back of that this box right here.
Okay.
There's three clips coming out. Again, they only go in one spot. They're all different sizes.
Got it.
So outside of that, this is what it was. This is what I expected anyway. So
Easy enough.
You want to take that in the house
Yep.
because I mean it doesn't need to go back in.
No, well, it won't do any good.
Just put his car back in park for him.
Yep,
The spring's still in there. All the screws are in here.
got it.
The reason why I put them back in there is if I left them here, he would think something's not put back right. So
Got it.
no use keeping extra screws around. If it was me, I wouldn't matter, but I know he's doing it, and you know that when you see extra screws and you see other parts laying around, you'd be like, I forgot something, and then
Right.
it rattles in your mind forever. Like, what did I forget? But it's what it is. You should be able to find. He should be able to find that module for as little as $30
Really?
to as much as to about $130.
That's okay. That's
So
still cheaper.
And going to a shop, the shop would have charged you $600 all day long
Right.
just to do this, and they would have bought the module for $30-40. Put
Right.
it in, and it would have only took them half the time I did because I was just doing it so you could see what was going on.
Nope.
But
Here you go. Don't forget your